This game, The Corridor, pretty sure is just about not pushing buttons. But anyways, let's go ahead and do that. Wow. They really weren't kidding, huh? From what I've seen and read, it should be about a 30-minute experience, and we should actually have a good time with this game. Like, come on, just look at this Steam page. I mean, that's kind of funny. I think this game was made entirely by one guy too, so I mean, that's pretty impressive. You should definitely check this one out. You know, this man has earned a few Benjamins. Okay, so far this game seems straightforward enough. Just a button. Let's go ahead and, I mean, I should probably click this, right? The game said I shouldn't, so I must.
Never open this game again.
Said that. Oh, it crashed my game? Okay, we're back.
How dare you?
Oh, there's a door. There's the button again. Can I go through the door? Alright, there's no going through the door. Mr. Voiceover Man, I think I can only push this button. What?
I'm being serious.
Well, what else can I do? I mean, what? Damn, if I had any actual friends, I'm sure they would absolutely be annoyed at this by now. Definitely nothing else I can do, right? Oh my god, bro, what?
What will you do now?
Oh shit.
Damn it.
Oh. Something... I must have to do something with this door later on. Don't keep closing my game, bro.
Yeah,
Okay.
go on then. Push it. I want you to push it. I've come round.
Yeah. I think I am going to go ahead and do it. Should I not this time? Ah, let's try the door. He wants me to push the button.
Yes, I've realised that reverse psychology doesn't quite make sense here considering I want you to leave.
Oh. God damn it. Can I try the door this time? Still nothing with the door? Don't close the game off again, bro, please. Oh, what the hell? What's this? Who's this? Hey. Sure look like one. Okay. Huh? It is kind of annoying, yep. Okay. Thank you, sir. Oh. Cardboard man has gone. Alright, well... Guess I'll just keep going. Oh.
Oh, so you like pushing a load of meaningless old buttons, do you? Well, feast on this. Oh, considering the medium.
It's kind of intimidating, the amount of buttons. Surely I don't push them all, right? Surely not? I mean, holy shit. Well, better get cracking. Am I doing it? Is this right so far? Do I have to push a lot of them?
Okay, yes, this is somehow more painful for me than it is for you. It's the one in the corner.
Alright. I'm gonna keep pushing a few more, I think. Anything else to add? Voiceover man? I'm doing that for no reason, right? Alright. You'd better not close the game, I swear to God. Don't. You fucker! Oh, what the fuck? Oh.
You might have stayed there forever, you never know.
I was about to. Yeah, you might have had me with her. Still nothing with the door. Okay. Can I click the frame? No? Okay. I guess the game's gonna close down again. Yep, fucking knew it, bro. I swear to God, I'm gonna try this door every time. There's gotta be a reason the door's there. Oh. What the fuck happened? What? What? What the fuck happened?
Well, this obviously isn't my game anymore, so I guess I'll leave. Goodbye.
You're right, it's mine. Belongs to me. Hello? Oh. Seems like you've had a lot of alone time, sir. Okay. Is there a button on this trunk or something? On the radio? Oh. Can I go for a swim? Oh, fuck. What the hell? Oh! This guy is so creative, bro. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Space Invaders? What? Oh, let's go. Oh, damn it. I've never played a game like this. This is so unique. Oops. Oh my god, no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, I suck. Oh my god, no. Oh, a button. Ready, 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 ready. Oh. Boom. Oh my god. How many times is my game gonna close? What the fuck is this now? I'm playing COD 4? What's going on? What the hell? Oh, this is nuts. Oh. So, do you know where the button is? I'm looking for a button. Have you seen one? Anything up this way? I'll go up this way. Okay. Aha! Did I push the button? Or... kill the guy? Alright, kill the guy it is. I definitely tried the button first, bro, just so you know.
You just killed a guy. What's wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me.
I didn't even ask you to do anything. You just did it. Don't you think that's a bit of a weird response?
No?
You know there was a button hidden in the level, right?
Yeah. Found it.
Fine, we'll go back to the corridor stuff.
No, don't bring me back there, bro. Fuck. Okay, we're back. Oh, this is familiar. Can I use the door yet? No. Okay.
Button, door, wall. Who among us would have thought that a mere few minutes ago we would have been like this? Comrades in arms. Musketeers. I would even go as far as to say, we're brothers. Oh, door, you always know just what to say.
Didn't say anything. Oh? What did you tell him? Fuck. Ain't letting me in. Literally.
I know I've not actually said this yet, but if you fall from a great height in this game, you will die and you lose forever. And that's it. The game closes, you can never open it again, so don't. Make sure you don't fall from a great height.
Okay. Is there a ladder on the other side of this door? Staircase, perhaps? No. Well, we're just gonna have to go for the height, I guess.
Yes, I was lying. Worth a try.
Oh. Okay. Must be like the 17th attempt right now. Oh. Dialogue options? Shit. I kind of want to press it. I want to know if it's okay to press, but I don't want to be this full on too soon, okay? I'm good. I want to say this one, but I should say this one. Oh, fuck. No, no. Let's not guilt trip him. Oh. Yes! Push the button! Why did I think something was gonna happen there? What the fuck is going on now?
So don't worry, you're gonna be fine. Just go out there and give it everything you've got.
Okay. I hope I don't trip.
Welcome, one and all, to tonight's performance of The Corridor.
Or do I just... Are you gonna close my game again? Oh. Oh. I should have expected that.
Boo! This sucks.
What? The hell was that?
I'll make it choppy. Technically at fault. That always scares people away.
Choppy. Oh my god. Oh fuck. I'm gonna be sick. Oh my god. Oh, let me out. Oh my god, get me out of this. Oh, this is... hurts to watch.
How bad does it have to be before you stop caring?
I will always care. That button needs to be pushed. Oh my god, it's worse. Fuck the door. I'm just going straight for the button. Get me out. Oh my god.
I could make it longer just to pad it out if that's really what you want.
I just want to push the button.
A longer game?
Yeah.
Just more.
Yes. More buttons to push, please. All I want to do is push this button. Oh, this was a far walk. I was all the way over there.
Ugh, why even bother waiting for you to make it all the way across? We all know you're gonna press it anyway, might as well skip to the chase.
What? I wanted to push it.
Fine then.
Oh
You want
my
long?
god.
How about infinite? Infinite corridor. Legitimately infinite, I should add. Don't even bother trying to get to the end.
Well, if there's a button down there, I am gonna try. Oh. Shit. Well, let's start walking. Oh, I thought I wasn't moving for a second.
You're really gonna stay here forever, huh?
I might.
You're not just gonna leave? You really think there's more to see just because I said that there wasn't more to see?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Great.
No. What the fuck?
Okay, that actually is broken. You just had to ask for a longer game, didn't you? Want, that's all you ever do. Alright, let's go out and fix it then, I guess.
Something I must do first. Damn it. I can't reach the handle. Okay. I reach the button? Should I reach the button?
Good, at least those aren't plugged in. We can probably just reboot and we'll be fine. Okay, go and unplug them then.
Oh.
Just drag them out. It's
Oh
pretty
my
easy.
goodness.
You see, that's the thing about you. You ruin things just by observing. If you hadn't been watching those plugs, they wouldn't have felt the need to comedically plug themselves in.
I suppose
Your very
that's true.
insistence here is the thing that spoils it.
That is rude. What? Okay. Okay. Intermission. What's going on? Oh. Cardboard man? The cardboard plan? Ha! Oh yeah? Okay. Of course. Did you know? Yeah. That's what I told the people at the start. Okay. Oh. No problem, cardboard man. Oh my god, what the... Whoa, no. Oh, I hate this. Oh god.
What, have you forgotten the controls?
I hate this. Oh, I hate this. My god. Oh no. Why? Aha! Found you.
Ah, yes. Right, well. Could you just wait? I kind of procrastinated and forgot to finish this part, I'll be honest. Okay, we'll just put this right here and
Yes.
this right there.
Uh-huh. Button on the
A
end.
bit of that, a bit of
Yep.
this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we're cooking. Good.
Perfect. Damn it. I finished the map right in front of my eyes just for me. Don't close the game. Fuck! What?
Making things isn't easy.
What the hell? I don't even have words for this. Okay.
Imagine what I could do without you messing everything up.
Just wanted to push the button. All I've wanted. You guys watching me play a game, the screen, on your screen. Wow.
Maybe you could just do what I asked and stop.
You know, I don't think I will. I'm still being persistent. Oh. Cardboard lady? Cardboard man? Hold on a second, button. Just wait there. What are you doing? I know, right? That's what I was thinking. Oh, fuck. I won't. Does seem kind of fun. Oh.
Why are you still here? Isn't it obvious I don't want you around?
Wow.
I don't want you to play this game. Do you know how much pain you cause? You know what? Go away. Go away and make your own thing. Don't use mine. Go out there instead.
What? Aha! I see you in the distance. I unplugged these anyway. And the lights off. Huh. Should I be doing this? Well, I've lost the others. Fuck it. Oh my god.
Could you turn the lights back on? I think the light switch is supposed to be some sort of big orange button or something. I don't know if you've seen anything like that around.
Yeah, I know where it is. Here we go. You lied, bro. That wasn't the light switch. Wait, what? Wait, no, I wasn't typing this. Oh. What? What? This is crazy, bro. I'm backspacing. Oh, okay. No, I didn't write that. No. No. Okay, Another empty corridor?
Damn it, I thought I might have you that time.
Nope. Having me about the door, though. I don't know what that's about.
Yeah, not so fun when I'm in your stuff, is it?
Wait, what?
Oh, you have a lovely machine here. It would be a real shame if something were to happen to it. Your computer is off. Now go away.
What the fuck?
Not convincing enough?
Wait, no, that is convincing me. What the fuck was that, bro? This guy is nuts. Oh my god, what?
You know, the funny thing is, I could block you out so easily. It wouldn't even take any effort, just a single wall. A single wall blocking out every single part of you. But of course, I can't.
Seems too easy this time. Fuck. Alright, well. Guess we just go ahead and hit this. Right, now I wonder what the fuck he's got in store for me when I boot this back up.
Yes, I noticed you trying to open the door.
I was.
Not everything needs a response. Fine. Go ahead and rip it apart, I don't know.
Well, now I don't want to do it. Feature me, insert the Pingu meme. What's this way? Anything? Alright, let's try the door. Oh, actually worked. Oh no. I'm just in another corridor. What the fuck? Oh my, no, 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 no. What the hell? Oh my god. Closing in on me. What the fuck? Whoa. Seems too convenient. Oops. Any way I can get this back in? What if I didn't want to leave? Ah, fuck it. This is kind of like a button, huh? I don't know if I should have done that. Cardboard man, how did you get here? Okay. Nope. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I guess. Uh-huh. Yeah, very true. I will. Okay. I'll do it for you, cardboard man. Oh, he's gone. Anything to say about the door? Am I supposed to have worked it out myself by now? Yes. This is just like... Yep. Wait, it isn't closing in on me. Oh, you fucker. Oh, fuck. Okay. Didn't even check the end of the corridor this time around. This game is nuts. Thank you, Cardboard Man. So should I actually leave through the door this time? There's no... Yeah. What the hell? It's just me that thinks that looks like something else, right? Anyways. I guess we just start unlogging it.
Who needs sound effects anyway?
Yeah, not me.
Textures? I don't think so.
What the... What? This game is nuts.
Models? Bin 'em.
What else could I possibly lose? Oh, yep. Game, of course. Am I close to the end now? I gotta be, right? Save data.
Wait, please just stop. I want you to play the game. Of course I want you to play it. It's just... What if it's bad?
Oh, it's perfect. I love it.
What if it sucks?
Oh.
What if you hate it? What if it's the worst
Don't.
thing ever made?
It's not.
And it's all been for nothing.
Oh.
Who wouldn't want to avoid that? Here. Here you go. This is my game. You walk down a corridor and push a button and that's it. I hope you like it.
Really? Nothing else? You promise? Just the button? I'm slowing down? Like, might not actually be able to reach it? What's going on? Oh my god, I'm so slow. Definitely nothing behind it. You know what? Still gonna push it.
Huh. You know, that wasn't actually that bad.
Yeah. Oh.
I got no switch off button when it comes to thinking of you. I got no switch off button what to do.
Guess I'll just leave these credits roll. But yeah, you should absolutely play this game for yourselves.
My brain's been bugged down what to do. I'm in the kitchen thinking about you.
It's something so intricate, even though it has the most basic premise, and I fucking love that.
Bottom of the tray thinking about you.
Like, I knew something was up from the description on the Steam page, and that there was going to be way more to it.
I'm in the bed.
There has to be, like, so many alternate things that can happen if you all play this in your own way. Like, what if I had pushed all those buttons in that room, or what if I closed the game off myself? You know, and there's probably loads of things that I missed just because I did something different to you if you go on to play it.
Brain's been bugged down. I'm only thinking of you. It's like my brain's been bugged down what to do. I got no switch off
10 out of 10. Easy. Like, I thought I was getting my shit stolen at one point, but yeah, the experience was definitely something else. Definitely had a blast with this one.
I'm only thinking of you. It's like my brain's been bugged down what to do. Rights reserved. You got exclusive right to my heart. Rights reserved. You got exclusive
That it? We done? Okay. I just wonder now though, like, would anything actually change if I opened it up again? What the fuck? I knew there would be something else. What does this say? Ah, that's so wholesome.